Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewer, if you are not a new user, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, share, subscribe, and comments, and press the bell icon for the more updates. Viewers, in this session I am just discussing a very important topic. The topic name is all about cement and uses in the construction industry. Guys, what is the definition of cement? Cement is a binder or a substance that sets and hardens independently and can bind other materials together. Cement used in a construction is categorized as a hydraulic, for example, Portland cement, or non-hydraulic. This is the definition of cement. This is very much important for a civil engineer, construction engineer, to know a comprehensive definition for a cement. Or we can also, on the other hand, we can define the cement as cement is a binder, a substance used for a construction that sets, hardens, and adheres to other materials to a binder to bind them together. It is a resistance to attack by the chemicals after setting. Hydraulic cement, example, Portland cement, sits and become adhesive due to chemical reaction between the dry ingredients and water. Guys, jump to another section. What is the importance of cement? What is the importance of cement in the construction? Because it is a major component of both of these buildings materials. Cement is an extremely important construction material. It is used in a production of the many structures that makes up the modern world, including the building, bridge, harbors, runway, and road. These are the uses of cement or importance of cement in construction. Guys, the next and very important terms is unit weight of building material, especially cement. Guys, I will later on discuss about the types of cement, but we should know a basic unit weight for the cement. Cement, ordinary cement, unit weight is 1440 kg per meter cube. Guys, what is the meaning of this? It means 1 cubic meters of cement weight about 1140 kg. The unit weight means 1 cubic meters of cement. If we weigh on the it will be 1440 kg. Another types of cement rapid hardening. This is another types of cement, guys. It weigh about 1250 kg per square meter cube. Cement mortar. What is mortar? Mortar is a mixture of cement, sand, and water. This makes a mortar. This weigh about 2000 kg per meter cube. Cement concrete, but it's a plain cement concrete. It weigh about 2400 kg per meter cube. These types of cement concrete, in 1 cubic of meter of cement concrete, it weigh about 2400 kg, the weight of the cement. Guys, another terms is what is cement and its its type. Ordinary Portland cement, it's one of the types of cement. We can call it as a shortcut OPC, ordinary Portland cement. Guys, the terms are very important. Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC. Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC. Rapid hardening cement or quick setting cement, low heat cement. These are the types of cement. Sulfate resistant cement, blast furnace slag cement, high ammonia cement. white cement, colored cement, air entering cement, expensive cement, and hydrological cement. These are very important types of cement. We should know that, guys. Types of cement and its uses. As I just earlier I talk about the types of cement, and here with these are 13 types of cement. Again, this is some of them are repeatedly come. Ordinary Portland cement, OPC, Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC, rapid hardening cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, sulfate resistant cement, blast furnace cement, high alumina cement, white cement, colored cement, air entering cement, expensive cement, and hydrological cement. Guys, the another terms is basic things you should know about cement. What are these? The composition of the cement. We talk about cement, but we don't know about composition. What cement made of? What materials? Chemical materials. These are very important elements in the cement. The components of or composition of cement: silica, silicon dioxide. The percentage that contains in the Portland cement OPC is 17 to 25%. A cement contain silica. This is the most important element composition of cement. Aluminum trioxide. Guys, the percentage of aluminum trioxide is 3 to 8%. Iron oxide. Iron trioxide is 0.5 to 6%. Magnesium oxide, the percentage is 0.5 to 4%. Different types of cement, as I just discussed earlier. Also, just quickly just pass. Ordinary Portland cement, OPC, Portland Pozzolana cement, PPC, rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement. Guys, this extra rapid hardening cement mainly used in a harbor construction, some bridge inside the water. We construct the piers, piles. These are used because this hardens fast. Rapid hardening cement and extra rapid hardening cement is used in the underwater construction. Low heat cement, sulfate resistant cement. These are used for some drainage channels, for the sewage by construction of sewage gutters and some channels that allows to flow some chemicals, water, sewage that resist these types of cement against the chemicals. Quick setting cement, blast furnace slag cement. Guys, the following tests are recommended on the cement in the laboratory. Tests are as follow. Guys, there are two types of tests we perform on the cement. One is field test and another is laboratory test. These are very much important. We should know. Guys, I'm just now discussing about laboratory test of cement. What are the laboratory tests we perform on the cement? Fineness cement, fineness test, consistency test, very important these terms. Setting time test, strength test, soundness test, heat hydration test, tensile strength test of cement, chemical composition test of cement. Guys, you should much know about these things, that these are for a civil engineer. This is must to know. Following tests are conducted in cement and laboratory test. Again, this is a repeated portion, but as it's important, I just repeatedly I want to emphasize. Fineness test, consistency test, setting times test, strength test of cement, soundness types of cement, heat hydration test of cement, tensile strength of cement tests on cement, chemical composition test on cement. Guys, these are some tests I will later on discuss about this test one by one. uh, Guys, these tests are performed on the field. As I discussed, two types of tests performed on the cement. One is laboratory, it performs in a lab, and another is on the field or a site, construction site. These are the field types of tests on perform on cement or in the construction field. What are we can do in the site once we in the procurement deliver the cement on the site? If we should know 8 points that can physically observe, and we can come to know the quality of cement. These are some observational tests on cement on site or field. Color, we can test the color of the cement. This is one type. Presence of lamp, presence of lamps. Adulteration test, temperature test, fluid test, strength test, strength test on cement, sitting test, fluid test, sitting test, and date of packaging. Guys, this 8 types test is much important test on cement. Guys, much important field test of cement. Color test, presence of slump test, adulteration test, flow test, strength test, sitting test, and date of packaging, manufacturing date, and expiry date of cement. We should know physically, we can observe it and fast on the site. Field test of cement, check the quality of cement on site. Field test of cement, quality tests on the cement at the construction site are performed to know the quality of cement. As I discussed, the two types of cement tests. One is laboratory, and the second type is field test. We test the cement on laboratory, on the field, on site. As now I named 8 types of field test. The aim of goal of this laboratory test to know the quality of the cement supplied within a short amount of time. It is not possible to have laboratory tests done. Guys, if we are on the site field, materials, cement is delivered to site, this is not possible. It's not possible, not possible, but time consuming. We cannot do laboratory tests on cement, but we can come to know field test also, but observation, it also helps in the short time period of time. Hence in such a times the basic field test for the cement are done on the cement to check the quality. This test gives some idea about the quality of cement, right? The field test gives some idea about the quality of cement. Field types of cement, construction colors, we can color check the color of cement. These are the field types of cement. Presence of lumps, adulteration test, temperature test, flow test, strength test. I just repeatedly saying that these types field tests are very important. Many times in a interview and job for civil engineering, ask this question in the written exam. These are basic knowledge for a civil engineer that must know these things. Sitting test and date of packaging. What is color test? We observe on the field test of cement. What should be the color of cement? The typical color of the cement should be gray. Guys, these terms is very important. It should be gray with a light greenish side. This color should be uniform. This should not be some layers it's gray, some layers this black, some layers it's some other color. No, overall from bottom to top layers of the bag of cement should be gray color, should not vary. should be same constant and throughout the bag. Guys, what is the presence of lamps? What means lamps? Due to moisture from the atmosphere, cement develop lamps, but it's not good to use that for the construction. Any bags which is delivered to the site with the lamps should be rejected. Guys, if the cement bag contains lamps, lamps means some particle of cement due to moisture from atmosphere, the cements get hardened, get stick. That is bad quality of cement. Guys, what is adulteration test? This test is performed by filling the cement with the fingers that should feel smooth. When rubbed in between fingers, it feels rough. It implies that the cement is adulterated with the sand. Guys, adulteration test is performed on the field. If we just take some amount of cement on our hands and between the fingers, if we rub it, it should feel rough, like a sand. We just touch the sand. It should not be smooth. It should feel smooth when rubbed in between fingers. It should not feel rough. Guys, it should not feel like a sand. We take some amount of sand in our hand. If we rub it, it should not feel rough. It should feel smooth, soft. It amplifies the cement adhesion test with sand. Guys, this is adulteration test on cement. The temperature of cement. This is another types test on cement, field types of cement. This test involves inserting the hand into the bag of cement to check its temperature. It should be cool inside. If it's warm inside, then it's indicate that the process of hydration taking place. Guys, if we insert our hand to the bag of cement, it should feel cool, not warm, hot. If it's warm, it's hot, then that's bad quality of cement. Then it maybe got some moisture, some water, and then the hydration take place. This is a bad quality of cement. Guys, flute test. This test consists of throwing some handful of cement in the bucket full of water. The cement particles should float for some time before sinking. Guys, this is another test on cement called as the float test. As the name suggests, float. It should not sink under the water. If we put through some cement on this bucket of water for some minutes or some seconds, it should float on top of the water and then sink. This is, if so, then for test the quality of cement is good. If not, then the cement compromising the quality. Guys, the setting test. What is setting test? In this test, a thick paste is prepared by mixing cement and water, and it is placed on a piece of glass plate. This is kept under water for 24 hours. After this, it should sit and not crack. This is important test, setting test. We take some amount of cement, we mix with water, and place on a piece of glass plate. It kept for the 24 hours under the water. Once we remove it, it should not be crack. Guys, this is the process for that field test cement. This is setting test. Guys, another test, field test is 10 types of test on cement. This test involves preparation of the block of cement of dimension 25 millimeter into 25 millimeter, and length of the specimen is 20 centimeter or equal to 200 mm. It is immersed for 7 days in water. It is then placed on a support of 150 milli apart, and it is loaded with a weight of about 34 kg. If the block will not show any failure, then the cement of good quality. Guys, styrene types of cement. What is the styrene this cement? If we prepare a block of cement of dimension 25 into 25 into 100 mm, we immerse it for 7 days on water, and then place on a support of 150 millimeter apart, and it is loaded with weight of about 34 kg. If the block will not show any failure, then the cement is good quality. This also asked in exam and interview question. Date of packaging. This is the simplest method we should know and we should consider. Practically we should apply it on site. Strength of cement reduce with time. If we two things, if we receive the cement on site field, we should see the manufacturing date of cement and expiry date of cement. Guys, it is, if the this is the relation between time and strength is inversely proportional. It means if the strength of cement reduces with time, if time passes much, then the strength goes down. So it is important to check the manufacturing date of cement. Generally, fact is that the cement should be used before 90 days from the date of manufacturing. Guys, very important. 90 days mean 3 months. If it is 3.5 or 4 months, then the quality, the strength compromise, the strength goes down. Field test for the cement. I can say that the cement is the backbone ingredient of concrete, as acts as a binder and ability to hold the structure together. Cement is supplied all over the world, but the cement that we use for all sort of construction work should be tested in the laboratory and field. Also, quality tests on a cement at the construction site are carried out ascertain the quality of cement supplied within a short period of time. It is necessary to check the quality of cement on site at the time of initial inspection. Guys, much important. If the procurement deliver the cement on site, on the first checking or initial inspection, we should do the laboratory if possible and the field test immediately. The laboratory testing is not possible in a short period of time, obviously. So at such a time, basic field testing for the cement is done on the cement to check the quality. These tests give some idea about the quality of cement. Obviously, guys, these are bags of cement. The field test is performed on these bags. Manufacturing date of cement. With the passage of packing time of cement, the strength reduces. Yes. So it is important to check the manufacturing date of cement. Generally, cement must be used for before 90 days from the date of manufacturing. Yes, guys, this is much important. Time of cement strength reduction in percentage. Guys, this is very much important for a civil engineer. Guys, I said the cement should be used within 3 months after manufacturing. If the time passes more, then the strength goes down. Guys, if that the 3 months from manufacturing, then the strength reduce 20 to 30%. If the manufacturing date is 6 months, then the strength reduces much. Here 20 to 30%, here 30 to 40%. If it is 12 months or 1 year after production of cement, then the strength reduction is much, 40 to 60. See, for 3 months 20 30, for 6 months 30 to 40, for 12 months 40 to 60. Time of cement versus reduction in the cement. Guys, this was a quick introduction about test on cements and different elements and ingredients and composition of cement we discussed. Guys, if this video is helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, comments, share with your friends. Thank you guys, have a nice time, bye bye.